Hello and welcome to my second tutorial on if statements. This is about if-else statements. We're basically going to use the same principles we did last time. We're going to create exactly the same, but hopefully I'm going to get this through a bit quicker. I wasn't happy with the amount of time the last one took. I want to try and get you learn fast, because I live in a very remote place and to buffer videos on YouTube takes a long time, so I get frustrated. So I'll try and do this as quick as I can. It's basically going to be the same as the other one, so if you've still got the other program that you did from my previous one, then that'll help a great deal here. Basically, if else is the same as if. We're going to code it within the button. If else is the same as if, but if the statement isn't true, then it will do something else. So if we go back to the same principles, if text box 1.text equals my name, the same again, you can still use the same code. Oops. Then you can see it's created the end if as well when I click down. The text box 2.text equals my name. Right, to do an else statement, so basically if the search criteria in text box 1 equals Zach and you click the button, in text box 2 will be displayed my name. If the criteria entered in text box 1 isn't Zach, then I want it to display something else. So if you click enter and go down, all you have to type in is else, enter, text box 2.text equals this is not my name, for example, and then always have the end if at the end. Right, if I run that now, so if I enter my name, I haven't got the clear function again. If I search for Zach, it will say my name because the condition's true. If I search for anything else, like hi, this is not my name. Search for Zach, my name. Anything else, not my name. And once again, this can be applied to many other things. So I'm just going to show it with the checkbox because it's easy for me. I'm going to code it within the button, so you know what it's called. It's default names checkbox 1. Box 1. You can actually find it in here. That I don't know if you can see it. That there represents a variable. No, it doesn't. It represents what you've created. Sorry. Anyway, checkbox 1. I'm tired. It's night time. Give me a break. If checkbox 1 equals checked, then I don't know, text box 2.text. You can tell I'm making this up as I go along to save me time. Text box 2 to say checked. Do the same as the other one, else text box 2.text equals not checked. And that should work as well. Hopefully this one hasn't took as long as the other one. If it's checked, it's coded within the button. So if I type in, no, I don't need to type anything in. If it's checked, it'll display checked. If it's not checked, it'll display not checked. See, checked, not checked. So that's basically if else in a nutshell. If that's true, then do that. Else, do that. If the checkbox is checked, then do that, and if it's not checked, do that. That's my brief explanation on it. sorry if it wasn't as good. Thanks for listening.